guys? I'm just here today. I wanted to go over the 5 reasons I actually love having a built car. I was out here just chilling. It's a beautiful day. I have a few tasks to do today. I got to clean up my boat because it was sitting over winter. I had a cover over it, but unfortunately it got blown off. So I got to pressure wash that. Can't wait to get the little laser out on the lake. And then of course we've got my other hobby, which is this vehicle right here. It's a bit dirty just because of the drive up here, but it's a 2004 WRX. It's a full 2007 STI drivetrain with a 400 wheel horsepower built 2.1 stroker motor. As a quick overview, if you're new to the channel, this is what I mainly make my videos on. I just kind of wanted to go over a little coffee what I love about driving this car and what I love about owning this car. I'll also do one about what I hate about owning this car. All right, reason 1 I love owning this car, it just brings me absolute happiness when I'm driving it. No matter how long distance it is or how much my ears ring from the drone on the highway, I absolutely love driving this car because it's just so solid. Like, the suspension setup's incredible. I've obviously done a few things to the rear suspension that makes it feel a lot tighter. Hankook RS4s on there, which grip perfectly as a daily driver. It's low, but it's not like too low that it's not functional. Right now it's sitting on the grass. Like, there's barely any clearance, but generally on the road, it's not as low as it looks. So it's very functional and easy to drive. And I absolutely love having the 6-speed drivetrain. It's amazing. I don't know. I love the gear ratios and just the sounds of the actual transmission. Reason 2, let me think. The noises. The noises of this car are absolutely incredible. Beautiful dual ball bearing kind of T51R sound. That sound is just to die for, and the GFB adjustable blow-off valve is perfect in my opinion. It gives you perfect form and function kind of thing. Like, the sound is great, and the fact that you can adjust it is even better. And the exhaust is fully custom. It's a 3-inch from the turbo back. It's got a vibrant flat black muffler on it. The header is all custom from GZ Custom, and it was kind of a hybrid, equal length and unequal length, so it gives a really unique sound, I'd say. And it's not actually that loud from the interior, so I'm really happy with the way this car sounds, and I don't really want to change that up at all. Reason 3 I love this car is because of the space I get. Even though it's a built car, you still get tons of room in the back. So I actually have a pressure washer in there. You get to fold the seats down, you got tons of room in the back. It's actually pretty comparable to my Volkswagen Golf hatchback wagon thing. I can haul a bunch of stuff in this, and the suspension's pretty tight. Occasionally I'll have a little bit of rub on the back just if I had a bump and I have stuff in the back, but yeah, tons of functional room, and the interior is fantastic. Reason 4 I love driving this car, it's pretty inconspicuous to police. I've never had any issues with cops. They don't even look at this car. It's not that loud. It's a station wagon, and from what they know, they can't see under the hood. Just briefly, if you look over there, you can see a big old turbo and some titanium pipes, but if you look from this side, you can't really see anything. Having no hood scoop kind of makes it very neutral looking, and like, it just looks like a station wagon. It looks unique, but it's not too unique that you're gonna get much attention out of it. The last and final reason I absolutely love this car is because of the way I can maintain it. Since I built most of it, I understand how everything works going on the drivetrain and kind of the engine bay and stuff. The way this car was built was mostly with AN lines. If you don't know about AN lines, they're absolutely fantastic for service. They're a little bit of a pain in the ass sometimes just when it comes to taking them off and on. With all the vibrant parts, it makes everything incredibly easy to service, and everything's just kind of right there. With new cars, I've noticed that it's all covered in plastic or really hard to reach. The HD clamps make it incredibly easy to take everything apart and kind of just service everything I need to service. The exhaust is all V-banded, so it's really easy to take off and on. No need to worry about exhaust gaskets and whatnot, but yeah, honestly, this car is very solid, and I would happily drive it every day if I could, but we have dailies for that. So I just wanted to make a quick video about what I absolutely love about this car, and I hope you guys appreciate it as much as I do. If there's any other content you guys want to see on it, let me know, but the next video coming up will probably be 5 things I don't like about this car. There's a few reasons, but nothing too huge.